Hey there! I am super excited about this video because I'm going to be talking about the truth about growing your event planning business. There is no one size fits all answer to growing your event planning business. I'm seeing so many people applying the right solutions to the wrong problems in their business, and that is exactly what is keeping you stuck, all right? So for you today, I actually have a free quiz. It's linked in the description. Go ahead and take the quiz, and it'll help you figure out which of these 4 categories you fall in. And not only will it tell you which of the 4 categories you fall in, it'll tell you exactly what you need to focus on to get yourself unstuck and to get to the next level in your event planning business. Because like I said, there's no one size fits all answer. It really depends on exactly where you are, how much experience you have, and what's been keeping you stuck, right? If you're looking to grow your business and you've been having a hard time, you're probably in one of 4 categories. Number 1, you don't really have a lot of leads. And a lead is someone who is DMing you, asking you about you planning their event. A lead is someone who's filling out your contact form. A lead is someone who sends you an email, right? And who reaches out for information about your business. Now, if you don't have a lot of leads, that's a normal place to be. We've worked with a lot of clients in our program, the Planners Who Profit Accelerator, to get to the next stage, right? But that's a totally different problem that requires a very specific next step. Now, the second category that you might be stuck in is that you get leads. Like, people do reach out, people DM you, they fill out your contact form, but they don't buy. Now, chances are in some cases you may even get some of these people on calls and all of that, but for one reason or another, they always tell you that they're going with someone else. They always buy from someone else, right? Now, again, this is a totally different problem. Posting more on Instagram isn't going to solve this problem, right? Because the problem is somewhere else in your pipeline. And with that, again, that's a totally different, that's like your phase 2 problem. Now, the phase 3 problem is that you're booked, you're busy, you've got lots of clients, you post on social media a lot, you've got lots to show for what you've done, but your bank account doesn't reflect it. And this is the category I like to call social media famous, where you've been reposted, you've been on blogs and all of that, but at the end of the year, you're like, where did all my money go? Like, I worked so hard and I didn't pay myself anything from it, right? All of it got reinvested back in my business. That should not be the case. It really should not be the case, right? For you as a business owner, really passionate about making money from the effort that you're putting out there, right? So if you're stuck there, there's a totally different prescription of how to move forward there. And last but not least is that, you know what, I'm booked, kind of, and I'm busy, and I feel like I should be able to handle more, but the clients I have right now are overwhelming me already. Like, I'm already so overwhelmed with the clients that I have right now that I don't know how to take on more clients, even though I feel like I should. Maybe for you, it might be, man, I have 5 clients and they're wearing me out. And I don't know how to create space for new clients because these 5 already are wearing me out. But at the same time, I mean, I'm running a business and I feel like my business should be able to handle 10, 20, 30 clients a year, right? And if you say that, you're right. I believe that if you have 10 or fewer clients, you should be able to run your business in 4 hours or less a day. If you have more than that, you may need more time, but 4 hours is all you really need per day, 5 days a week to run a business if you have 10 or fewer clients. And if you're like, man, how do I get there? Take the quiz, because the quiz will teach you how to make that next step, all right? Again, this quiz is 100% free. It'll diagnose where you are, and it'll tell you exactly what to focus on to get to your next step. Looks like the gardeners have made it to our building, so I'm gonna go ahead and end here, but I can't wait to see more of you guys take the quiz. Leave your questions in the comments, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video, all right?